Hello everyone, welcome to CUET General Knowledge episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, which element has the atomic number 79? Option A, silver. Option B, gold. Option C, platinum. Option D, uranium. The correct answer is option B, gold. Gold has the atomic number 79 on the periodic table. Next question is, who developed the theory of classical conditioning? Option A, Sigmund Freud. Option B, Ivan Pavlov. Option C, Carl Rogers. Option D, John Watson. The correct answer is option B, Ivan Pavlov. Ivan Pavlov is famous for his work on classical conditioning, particularly with his experiments on dogs. Next question is, which mountain range forms the northern boundary of the Indian subcontinent? Option A, Alps. Option B, Andes. Option C, Himalayas. Option D, Rockies. The correct answer is option C, Himalayas. The Himalayas form the northern boundary of the Indian subcontinent, separating it from China and Nepal. Next question is, the Manhattan Project was a research and development project for which purpose? Option A, creating radar systems. Option B, developing nuclear power. Option C, advancing aviation technology. Option D, developing atomic weapons. The correct answer is option D, developing atomic weapons. The Manhattan Project was a US project during World War II aimed at developing the atomic bomb. Next question is, which country was the first to adopt the metric system? Option A, United States. Option B, Germany. Option C, France. Option D, United Kingdom. The correct answer is option C, France. France was the first country to adopt the metric system in 1795, standardizing measurements based on the decimal system. Next question is, the Sistine Chapel is located in which city? Option A, London. Option B, Paris. Option C, Rome. Option D, Madrid. The correct answer is option C, Rome. The Sistine Chapel, famous for its ceiling painted by Michelangelo, is located in Vatican City, Rome. Next question is, the Higgs Boson particle is also known as option A, God particle. Option B, dark matter particle. Option C, quantum particle. Option D, neutrino. The correct answer is option A, God particle. The Higgs boson, often called the God particle, was discovered in 2012 and helps explain how other particles acquire mass. Next question is, who wrote the epic poem, the Iliad? Option A, Homer. Option B, Plato. Option C, Sophocles. Option D, Virgil. The correct answer is option A, Homer. Homer is credited with writing the Iliad, an ancient Greek epic poem about the Trojan War. Next question is, the D-Day invasion of Normandy during World War II took place in which year? Option A, 1941. Option B, 1942. Option C, 1943. Option D, 1944. The correct answer is option D, 1944. The D-Day invasion, part of Operation Overlord, took place on June 6, 1944, marking a turning point in World War II. Last question is, the Cultural Revolution in China began in which year? Option A, 1949. Option B, 1956. Option C, 1966. Option D, 1976. The correct answer is option C, 1966. The Cultural Revolution in China, led by Mao Zedong, began in 1966 and aimed to preserve Chinese communism by removing capitalist elements from society. Now it's time for practice question. Who developed the theory of psychoanalysis? Option A, Carl Jung. Option B, Sigmund Freud. Option C, Erik Erikson. Or option D, B.F. Skinner. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.